Sobrang daming request nito phone na ito sa aking channel. Kada upload ka ng video, merong ilan nag-request nito phone na ito. Itong si IQOO na Z10 Turbo Plus. Sabi ko, ano ba meron dito? Ang dami ninyo nag-request. Mapa FB, IG, sa aking TikTok at sa aking YouTube channel. Lahat nag-request nito phone na ito na i-review natin. Nung tinignan ko ang full spec sheet, kaya pala. Malinamnam pala ang specs nito phone na ito. Sobrang powerful nito and this is just playing at around sub 20,000 pesos. No wonder ang kukulit ninyo. Hindi ko na pahabain kwento ko. Pag-usapan natin. Now, ang kanyang box is just like any IQOO na box. Very simple. Makita mo isang letter Z na halos faded. Ito ang kanyang maging unboxing experience. Medyo masikip yung box. So, ito yung phone. Buksan ko later. Inside, I got the SIM ejector tool, Type-C cable. Kanyang 90 watts na fast charging brick, user guide, and yung kanyang jelly case na, well, mukhang cheapo. So, ito na yung phone. Tanggalin na natin. Uy, not bad yung kanyang design, ha? So, ito si IQOO z10 Turbo Plus na may 12 gigs of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Nabili ko to sa UKDB Gadget for 21,000 pesos. I'll post the link on the description kung saan mo siya pwede mabili or just simply click the link sa aking screen na lilitaw para iwas tayo scam. Sobrang gusto ko yung kanyang design na sobrang yung simple. Ito probably aking favorite color dito sa Z10 Turbo Plus. And here are the other colors. Very simple ang kanyang pagka-gray and ang ganda yung kanyang pagka-gold lining dito sa kanyang camera bump. It looks simple yet sophisticated. Ano nga ba talaga? Gusto ko rin kanyang pagka two-tone color dito, no? Gray dito sa likod and pagdating dito sa gilid, it's gunmetal. Pareho siyang plastic no, sa likod and sa gilid. And this phone is by the way IP65 dust water resistance. Katamtaman ng kanyang bezel and what's nice dito sa symmetrical siya all throughout four sides ng phone. And hindi rin malaki ang kanyang punch hole by the way. Ito yung gusto ko dito sa IQOO Pwede mo ilagay sa monster mode ang yung phone. Kumbaga naka-performance mode siya all throughout the day. And probably tatanungin niyo sa akin kung support niya ang 5G. Well, honestly, 4G plus lang na-achieve ko on both Globe and Smart. Sa dito nakapag 5G ako, it's not that hindi ready ang iyong phone. Hindi ready ang ating Globe and Smart na network. Sana mag-upgrade na sila soon. Habang hindi pa nag-upgrade itong dalawang giant na ito, asa ka pa 5G. Na kung gusto nyo makita full specs na itong phone na ito, eto na. Nung tinitingnan ko yung specs nito phone nito, sinabi ko, kaya pala, sobrang bigatin. Pang-contractor ang kanyang specs. I'm pretty sure na pag nalaman ng pamilyang Diskaya itong phone na ito early, marami sila binili nito. Dahil this one supports the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus. And honestly, sobrang yung powerful. Lahat ng kaya mo ibigay dito, kayang-kaya na gawin. I've been using ChatGPT on this phone, video editing, upload ng videos, playing some games, lahat wala akong naging problema dito. Smooth naman naging experience ko dito. Sa sobrang lakas niya, smooth na smooth din ang score niya dito sa AnTuTu benchmark. 2.43 million points, imagine that. And here are the other benchmark scores kung gusto nyo makita. Now, another pinaka-winning point dito sa phone nito is yung kanyang battery. Sobrang massive. 8,000 mAh ang kanyang battery, malaki. And very bright ang kanyang future, lalo na kung heavy user ka. Pwede pa nga gawing power bank ito ng mga Disney princesses don't you think? And hindi rin siya mabigat at 212 grams lang dahil silicon carbon technology ang ginamit ni IQOO dito. And this one can support fast charging din up to 90 watts of fast charging support. Hindi siya mabagal mag-charge Isipin mo from 0 to 100 dahil 8,000 to, around nasa less than 1 hour tapos na siya dahil sa malaki ang kanyang size. And on day-to-day average usage, this one can last you for more or less sinasabi ko na sa average depende sa user behavior. For me, kaya magtagal ito ng 3 days. I'm not sure kung kayo gumamit. And sinubukan ko siya yung manual drain test dito sa phone nito. Nakakuha ko ng 21 hours and 26 minutes na screen on time. Paldo, pwede pang charge ng power bank ni Jamie. Yung kanyang display, honestly, I'm quite impressed kanyang AMOLED display. This one has a 144Hz screen refresh rate, which is for me more than what the industry average is giving us. Dito sa IQOO, you get more than what you pay for, pero sa DPWH, you get less than what you pay for sa inyong taxes. Bako-bakoin yung mga kalsada, pero mga Disney princesses nakapag-travel na around the world. Pera mo yun. One good thing dito is protected yung mata dito while you're using dahil meron siyang PWM dimming. And kung nagsiscroll ka naman sa socials dito, expect to give you a good experience. I don't expect anything less kasi 144Hz naman siya. So, I expect a really good experience dito while I'm swiping. And kung nanonood ka naman ng video dito, equally good din naman experience. Punchy ang colors and black is blacker. Ika nga. Pagdating sa speakers niya, this one has 2. Isa dito sa ilalim, meron siyang 6 na butas. And sa ibabaw, dalawa lang ng butas. Which for me, nung ginagamit ko siya, pansin ko parang medyo hindi balance ang kanyang sounds. Mas mahina ang galing sa taas and mas malakas ang galing sa ilalim. Check lang natin yung sound quality niya. Refreshing naman kanyang sounds and I would say not bad. Pero hindi lang sobrang lakas like I'm expecting. Now, in terms of gaming, I was able to play 3 games. Wuthering Waves, Genshin Impact, tsaka Call of Duty Mobile. All of these 3 titles na ito, dalawa is AAA games. And first teaser ko sasabihin sa inyo is that astig ang experience niya dito. Dahil on these 3 games, si Wuthering Waves saka si Genshin Impact was able to achieve 60 FPS and si Call of Duty Mobile was able to achieve 120 FPS almost consistently. Pag tinitingnan ko sa FPS counter, maliit lang kanyang drop. Siguro pag mga 60, siguro nasa 57, 58. Yung 120, siguro lalagpas siya 121, pero kung bababa siya, nasa 118 lang. So, okay, good. Pagdating naman sa thermals, pinakamainit si Wuthering Waves at 45 and pinakamalamig si Call of Duty Mobile at 40. Experience-wise, the gameplay was smooth. Wala kang maging problema sa kanya. Wala akong na-feel na lags along the way. Siguro maganda internet connection ko. And yung kanyang touch response on all of these 3 games was really good. Smooth naman siya and very responsive that I can see. Pagdating sa sounds, I wouldn't say na malakas siya sobra, pero yung tipong you might want to use your favorite TWS just to give you a better experience, lalo na pagdating sa Call of Duty Mobile. If you're trying to spot yung sounds coming from the left and right, yung mga footstep, you might want to use a TWS to enhance your experience mo dito. But overall, the gameplay was definitely good. It's really living up to my expectation. Na pagdating sa kanyang camera, it only has 2 lenses. 50MP na main camera sensor with OIS and in the other one is a 8MP na ultra-wide sensor. Good thing is that it can shoot you up to 4K and 60. Yung kanaharap medyo bummer lang, 16MP, only can shoot you up to 1080 and 30. Could have been 1080 and 60 sana. Now, here are my experience dito sa IQOO Z10 Turbo Plus. Pagdating sa outdoor, you'll be able to get some really nice na shot. Makita natin, some of these photos are quite natural ang kanyang colors. Yung green niya is green, pero pansin ko, it's a little bit more of a darker shade. Hindi siya masyadong matingkad, or probably because of the weather, it's a little bit gloomy, hindi siya masyadong maaraw. You'll be able to get some really nice snap. Makita mo mga greens is natural, yung mga tall buildings okay na makakuha, and mga cloud details is okay lang, hindi naman super duper detailed. And ito, kinuha ko itong pusa na ito. Makita mo yung kanyang whiskers pag zoom in mo. Kitang-kita yung mga details. Kung mahilig ka naman kumuha ng mga flower shot, this one can perform, give you some really nice shots. Except that medyo mas darker lang ang kanyang attack. Now, yung ganda naman na ito phone na ito, you can shoot ultra-wide shots like this one, all the way up to 20 times zoom. Though, pagdating sa 20 times zoom, I think wala itong digital zooming. Kaya pansin mo, wala siyang masyadong enhancement. So, medyo pixelated na yung mga words dito once na you zoom it in. Again, dito sa monument na ito, dito sa Scout Circle, from ultra wide all the way to 20 times zoom. So makita mo talagang pixelated na siya. Now, if you're going indoor, low light, okay, you'll be able to get some nice plant shots dito sa kanya. Mga ambience sa loob ng restaurant, makita mo, it's really good, maganda, mga product shot. Some photos like this one are taken really good, except that medyo mas darker lang talaga ang kanyang attack. Siguro yun ang kanyang default setting. Kahit pagdating sa food shot, hindi siya masyado vibrant, Yung tama lang kanyang capture, and I would say not bad, Pero not the best that I've seen on this price point. That I can really say. And maganda rin naman tong camera na to for taking group photos. Napag-usapan naman natin ang front-facing camera, and pagdating sa outdoor, not bad ang mga shots na nakuha ko. Except that yung siguro, ang reklamo ko lang dito sa kanya is parang masyado makinis ang aking muka. And you bring it indoor, medyo mapapansin mo smooth na siya pag zoom in mo siya. And there are times na medyo nag-overexpose siya pag medyo maliwanag ang araw sa likod. And if you're given the right amount of lighting, makita mo, you can take some really nice snap just like this one. Now, check lang naman natin yung mga video experience ko. One of the limitation ng camera ni IQOO Z10 Turbo Plus is yung ganda front-facing camera. It can only shoot up to 1080p and 30. And kita natin, it's a little bit shaky. I'm just using my bare hand. Wala akong gimbal dala. And so far, quality is not so bad. Pero medyo shaky nga lang talaga. On the other hand, yung kanyang rear camera, it's a little bit better. Though hindi naman siya super steady. Pero I'm just using my bare hand. And not bad yung kanyang quality. Shooting at 4K and 60. Now, with a phone this powerful, paano hindi ko mare-recommend to phone na ito? Pagdating sa kanang gaming experience, bigay na bigay to phone na ito. Probably kung uminit ng 45 degrees Celsius and medyo maselan ka, gusto mong pababayin ka ng temperature, I would suggest you using a cooler. Multitasking, maning-manilan dito. Camera experience is just okay, average. And yung kanyang design is definitely good, mukha siyang premium, pwede siya pang mga contractor. Tanungin kita, ikaw, napusuan mo ba itong phone na ito? Kung gusto mo malaman kung saan mo pwede mabili ito, I got it from UKDB Gadgets or just simply check the links on the description box below. And kung alam mo may mga friends na naghanap na itong phone na ito, you can share this video. And of course, inaanyayahan ko kayo mag-subscribe dito sa aking channel para ma-notify kayo once na magkaroon ako ng mga astig na pang-contractor na phones na review like this one. So paano yan? Hanggang dito lang muna tayo. Mag-apply muna sa DPWH para makapagbili ako ng more phones to review para sa inyo. So kita-kita ulit tayo sa aking next video. Peace out. And so, ako para si Richmond and you're watching Gadget Sidekick. Like and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. For one of my latest uploads, click the dito. And for one of my popular uploads, click here.